Wow, I must admit, I never thought I would end up living in a castle. You were built in this castle, remember, you idiot? Says the guy who looks like a woman. I don't look like a woman, I swear. Silence, both of you. Or am I going to have to throw you both in the dungeon? I think that's your job, Ice Emperor. Unagami, what do you want? Easy. I'm here to take the throne for myself. Because after all, my season's way better than yours. Prime Empire for the win. I don't think so this time, Unagami. You won't be winning this time. Ah, the boy wishes to fight. Ah. Nobody hurts my son, gets away with it. Bring it on, digital jerk. Fellas, can we take this outside? Quiet, Vex, this is a personal matter. Alright, let's do this old school. Anyone else wish to duel? Crystal whack. I learned all those myself. Impressive, young general, but you won't be a match for me, because I have my secret weapon with me. Don't you wish to play a game, General? I'm sure you'll enjoy it. A game? What sort of game? I'll show you. Beep. How did you get that in here? I have my ways. Now, would you like to enter Prime Empire? Don't you mean Crime Empire? Ow! Ow! No, we do not ever speak of that. Enjoy your fun, Vex. No, please, Unagami, don't do this. No! Oh, he's gonna have such a good time. Nobody hurts my general. Oh, come on. And that is why I am better and you suck. Ice Emperor for the win. Alright, come on, son. Go grab my shotgun. Let's go on some formally. Since when do we have a shotgun? Better not hurt Akita on the way. Oh, for God's sakes, would you let it go already? I will be back. As soon as someone sews me back together.